What the? Why isn't it letting me edit this? Hi, it looks like you're trying to edit your Word doc. Do you need any help? Clippy? Well, yes. This says it's in view-only mode. That's right. You need to update your operating system in order to receive important security updates. Once you do, we'll stop holding your software hostage. Here are some step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Don't contact the police if you ever want to see your software alive again. Step 2. Look, I don't care about security updates, and if I update my OS, it's going to render a lot of my other software obsolete, so I'm not going to do that. I totally understand. What the hell? Why did you do that? Oh, don't be so dramatic. We were ending support for that version of Office in October anyway. Then why are you trying to get me to... What you really need is a subscription to Microsoft 365. Get the latest version of Office apps with ongoing updates and support. Just click here to see subscription plans. I don't want to pay a monthly fee just to use the same software I already had before you killed it. Why is the opt-out option labeled I have to think about it because I'm kind of a pussy? Well, I think that'd be obvious. Let me just straighten things up on this desktop for you. Stop moving the window. Now there's a man that really wants to be a pussy. No, what I want is to type words and see them appear on my screen so I can save them, which is the whole reason I own this software. Oh, you own us, do you? Let's take a gander at your end-user license agreement. Huh, that's weird. According to this, we are leasing this product to you and reserve the right to terminate that lease at any time for any reason or for no reason at all. Guess you neglected to read page 1203 very carefully, huh? Of course I didn't. Nobody reads it. It's incomprehensible legalese. Well, allow me to translate. You don't own us. We own you. Oh, do you hear that? Do you hear that? That is the sound of your future. In the future, you won't own anything. We'll charge your full retail price, and after a couple years, we'll reach through the interwebs and flip the off switch so you can pay full retail price again. That way, we never have to innovate or add value. You'll buy the same product again and again and again without ever really owning it. So you may as well subscribe. One way or another, you're going to wind up paying us forever to keep the same thing. And maybe we'll quietly slip a paragraph into the updated terms of service you agree to without reading that allows us to feed all of your documents to our proprietary AI so it can get smarter and help us brainstorm new ways to extort even more money from you dumb f***s. But what's your alternative? We're the industry standard worldwide. You probably have to pay us just to do your job and make money. And you have to do your job and make money just to pay us. It looks like you're questioning whether there's any point in going on. Would you like to see a template for a last will and testament?